Thanks for watching this video, and if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to also turn on notification, because if you post any video, you have to be alerted, and then you have to just come and learn another thing every single day. So yeah, this is the website that is saying that it's going to pay us 500 cedis for just answering some questions and then just sharing this. And if you guys have monitored, you will see that these links are coming from WhatsApp. You see that you'll be there, and then someone will post or send such a link in the WhatsApp page or WhatsApp group. And some of these links are the Mahama free laptops, and also the Goyo free cash, and I think one was about MTN free cash, of which they came to clarify that one on their Twitter page. I posted it in my community yesterday. So that's that for the links. Some of these links they just post on our WhatsApp group or WhatsApp pages. Okay, so if you see any of these links and then you just tap on it, you want to just verify or just want to try whether it works or not, and then when you tap on it, you get your price. Okay, but most of the times when you're about to claim your price, okay, they will tell you that before you can get the price or what you got, you have to share until the bar is full. So you see most of the times a blue or green bar, and then you have to share to all your contacts or groups, and as you do that, you see that the bar will be filling as you share the link. So one trick that I want to show you, so that you can just do this without sharing to your WhatsApp pages or WhatsApp group or your contact, is that when you tap on the link or when you tap on share to your contact or WhatsApp contact, don't share. When you reach your the place where you're going to share it to your contact, just go back to the site again. Don't select any contact to share to them. Just go back. When you go back, you see that the bar will start to fail, which means that the site is not legit. It is just a scam website. Okay, so if you see such a website, just ignore. They are not real. Okay, the real ones are the MTN free airtime and data, of which I have the video in the comment section. The link is there, so just check in the comment section and tap on how you can know the MTN free airtime and data trick. Okay, and just forget about this link. Just forget. So don't share any link. Just go back to the website, and then you see it picking, or the blue bar will start to fill whilst you have not shared the link.